Today I'm going to be doing a product review. Sometimes companies send me items to do reviews on, and I only do reviews on things that I actually could use or that I find value in. And so today we're going to be reviewing a rechargeable mist fan by Turbro. And I can already think of some situations where this would come in handy. So I'm going to get everything out of the box here real quick. It's a little bit of assembly, I believe, to get it together and get this thing up and running and see how it works. So this is a rechargeable fan. It comes with a battery pack and a charge cord. And I think it says it can actually run up to 50 hours on a charge, which seems crazy. So this tank holds about an hour and a half to 2 hours of water. And you can even add ice to it to make it colder. And you can get this off of Amazon. I will put a link in the description for this if you're interested. So let's get this together real quick. These just snap in here. Super simple. This screws onto this pump. That's how the water gets to the fan. This just plugs into the bottom of this. This is where it gets the power from. This handle just snaps onto the top. You can control the speed here, and the charging cable plugs in right here to the side. This is the on-off switch, and the battery goes right inside here. So on the bottom of this is actually a plug-in where you can plug a USB cord in and like charge a phone or something off the battery. So it's like a backup, and this keeps the water out of your battery. This case here is really simple to put together. So we're gonna go find some water to put in this and see how it works. Let's see if it even powers on. Yep. Powers on right out of the box. If you decide you're done running it, there's a drain in the bottom. You just pop this open and drain out the rest of the water. And that's where it draws the water out of the tub. And this snaps on so the cover doesn't come off. So it comes with an extra nozzle, and it comes with extra filters, because at the bottom of this, where the pickup is, there's a sponge in there. So if that gets nasty over time or whatever, you can swap that out or put a new one in while you're cleaning this one. You can run this either just the fan, or the switch turns on the pump to bring you the mist. So if you just want the fan, you just got a nice little fan there. If you want the mister, you just flip that switch right there. So let's get this thing fired up. All right, we're gonna get some water in here and try this thing out. All right, we got our water. We got it fully charged up. Let's see how it works. Got the fan on, now we're gonna turn the pump on. There you go. It's a pretty windy day, so the wind's kind of blowing all the mist all over the place. But, oh yeah. So that is the Turbro rechargeable Mr. Fan. There's a water level window right there. And the fan's adjustable, you just loosen this up. Gonna be kind of nice to have around. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Appreciate it. Until next time, good luck with all your projects.